The insanity defense, that's the case a Jupiter woman will make 1 year after police say she murdered her partner's 2-year-old daughter. Good evening, I'm Michael Williams.
And I'm Ashley Hinson. Kelly Dunn has the evening off. Kimberly Lucas, attorneys say she suffers from an identity disorder. News Channel 5's Michelle Casada has insight from a clinical psychologist tonight on what that defense may argue in court. Michelle?
Michael, Ashley, well, police say Kimberly Lucas does not remember what happened that May 26, 2014. This court filing says she was already receiving mental health care, and with the disorder cited here, the defense will argue she was insane during the offense and is not guilty.
Did 41-year-old Kimberly Lucas really know what she was doing when police say she drowned her ex's 2-year-old daughter, Eliana Lucas Jamison, in the bathtub and attempted to kill the toddler's 10-year-old brother? Her attorneys will argue she didn't because she was suffering from dissociative identity disorder.
The people that have multiple personality disorder, now known as DID, are not necessarily psychotic. They shift into a different, altered identity.
Clinical psychologist Dr. Mark Ellinger says the disorder comes from abuse or a traumatic experience before a person turns 4. To meet the diagnosis criteria, a patient has to have at least 2 personalities.
In this case, I believe there was perhaps a romantic breakup, and that trigger could cause the person to shift in or split off into another identity or personality.
Police say Lucas also left a suicide note. In an interview last June, the children's biological mother's attorney said she had 0 warning signs. Dr. Ellinger says cases of DID vary. Sometimes personalities can shift with no memory of what occurred. In other cases, they are co-conscious. Our legal analyst Michelle Suskauer says it will be a difficult defense to prove.
Juries don't seem to want to excuse defendants, especially in homicide cases, even with proven mental illness.
The state is seeking the death penalty. The trial is expected to begin next year. Michael?
Thank you very much, Michelle.